So Floratomy was born with florists making products for florists. We're pretty much just trying to make biodegradable, sustainable products. We're just really designing the products that we wish we had. There's a real irony in the floral world that relies so heavily on the plastic industry, which is actually threatening the water and the soil that they need to grow in and that we need to grow with as well. So that irony isn't lost on us, and we just were tired of pretending it wasn't there.
We are reimagining everyday products that florists use by reducing the waste during the manufacturing stage as opposed to after use.
Our first patent pending product is actually a tray that can be used in multiple scenarios. You can diversify it by splitting it up, and actually people can take those flowers home, or it can be used in a wedding scenario, it can be used in a everyday scenario.
So a funeral can transform it into 3 or 4 things afterwards. A wedding can transform it into 3 or 4 things afterwards. So especially with a wedding, when people are really trying to be budget friendly and budget aware, transitioning something from ceremony to reception to take home afterwards is a savings right there.
We've designed a container or a product that will allow florists to offer their customers something that's reusable, something that's sustainable, that will then be biodegradable. So if somebody doesn't want to keep it and reuse it, that's totally fine. If it gets thrown in the garbage, it doesn't matter. It's going to biodegrade within 30 to 45 days.
Anything that's plastic doesn't need to be. Like, get rid of it. It does not need to be plastic.
In all of our research, from hemp to bamboo, mycelium is what really struck with us. Mycelium is the root of a fungus or a mushroom. And so it's a really strong like fiber. It's lightweight, it's biodegradable, and it's actually carbon negative. So it goes back into the earth, giving more than what you took out. It's also grown with very little water, very little light, and it can be vertically farmed. And the nice thing is that it grows in a week.
It's being used in textiles, construction, and even aerospace.
And actually a lot of the use of it right now is for packaging. So where you would see styrofoam going around a microwave to ship, they're actually replacing all of that with mycelium grown packaging that fits the microwaves. We can actually grow our products as opposed to manufacture them, and that's what really excites us with this product especially.
Canada's floral industry is nearly $4 billion. And the North American market is $15.8 billion annually, with projections to continue growing year after year.
And the eco-conscious end of things is growing 3 to 5% every year. So the ability to slip in some eco-friendly products into this market is massive.
The florists that we've been connecting with through our market research cannot wait to get their hands on this product.
We've already been dealing with and having support from ION as well as Innovation Factory, and that led us to iCamp through Canadore College, and we did get a couple prototypes through that as well. And then with our research and development is what led us to mycelium. So right now we've got the drawings, we've got the prototype, so it's really just getting some funding in order to push us forward to the next step so that we can get these products in the hands of florists and consumers as fast as possible.